Kublai Baro tekani day ka MTET Guidebook 2026 but hakani ka video ngin peja kini kichingkli ka badai jong ka set 3 but kani ka day ka paper 1 Child Development and Pedagogy 1 ka day paper 1 set 3 kichingkli banangkong ni ka ong which of the following best describes the nature of human development. Answer kadai ka B. Development is a qualitative and quantitative process. 2. Which of the following is an example of a qualitative change in development? Answer kadai C. Improve logical reasoning. Number 3. Development occurs from the head downwards. This is known as answer kadai ka B. Cephalocaudal principle. Number 4. Development is continuous and continues throughout the lifespan. This means answer kadai C. Development is a lifelong process. Number 5. Dash is also called as gang age. They form certain rules and code of conduct of the gang and uphold them quite faithfully and obediently. Answer kadai B. Late childhood. 6. G. Stanley Hall describe which of the following stages as a time of storm and stress. Answer kadai D. Adolescence. 7. Which of the following stage of development is considered a period of extreme dependence on adults? Answer A. Infancy. Number 8. At which of the following stage of development does children's thinking becoming logical and abstract? Answer C. Late childhood. 9. Which of the following is not an external factor which influence development in children? Answer kadai ka C. Heredity factor. 10. The family imparts education to a child. Answer B. Informally. 11. The gland which influences physical development is. Answer D. Pituitary gland. 12. Which of the following is an example of gross motor development? Answer C. Jumping and running. 13. How many stages are there in Jean Piaget's theory of cognitive development? Answer C. 4. 14. According to Piaget, in which stage of development the child shows attainment of concept of reversibility as a cognitive capacity? Answer C. Concrete operational stage. 15. A process of learning to conform to a group norm, values and customs is part of which development? Answer C. Social. 16. What does Kohlberg's theory of moral development focus on? Answer A. Moral judgment. 17. According to the theory of Lawrence Kohlberg, at which level is moral thinking based on taking initial perspective of the society. Answer B, conventional. 18. In the language development of a child, the main contributing agency is A, family. 19. Gender inequality refers to which of the following? D. Social and economic disparities between genders. 20. Which of these statements is true regarding gender? D. Answer D. It is a social construct. 21. In order to maintain gender equality in the classroom, a teacher should Answer A. Provide the same opportunity to both boys and girls. 22. The process of being fair to women and men is also termed. Answer A. Gender equity. 23. What does the term sex refer to? Answer B. Biological and physiological characteristics. 24. Which method of child study provides a very rich and detailed picture of development as well as insights into topics that should be investigated in a larger sample of children? Answer C. Case study. 25. An informal discussion that has no strict guidelines, allowing the discussion to be open and not necessarily concise in its nature is. Answer C. Unstructured interview. 26. Which of the following is not an element of intellectual development? Answer B. Tolerance. 27. A collection of students work on a variety of tasks for keeping a record of their performance is known as a. Answer B. Portfolio. 28. Which of the following is not a characteristic of a well-designed questionnaire? Answer D. It is open-ended and allows for elaboration. 29. What is the primary purpose of a reflective journal? Answer C. To analyze personal experiences and learning. 30. What is a key advantage of participant observation? Answer C. It allows researchers to understand complex, content-dependent, and sometimes hidden behaviors. Next, language 2, paper 1, kadai ka English. 31. Oracy and literacy are the capacities which are fundamental in spoken and textual form, not just for. Answer B. Language education. 32. Teachers should help children develop their. Answer C. Language capacities. 33. If the teacher organizes a pair work and observe the children informally by using a rating scale to assess their performance, this is called. Answer C. Observation technique. 34. Natural language learning begins with answer D. Listening. 35. Dash of voice is an important aspect of spoken language. Answer B. Modulation of voice. Answer B. 36. Reading is to observe the meaning of the B. Written text. 37. Dyslexia refers to A. Reading disorders. 38. Language is associated with the dash of an individual. Answer C. Identity. 39. Every language has its own answer A. Sound system. 40. Students must be given the opportunity to understand and appreciate answer A. The rich linguistic cultures of India. 41. While assessing children's written work, there are three aspects that need to be focused on. These are B. Content, accuracy, and fluency. 42. Language is the medium that answer C. Nullifies distance. 43. It is the dash that we honor the child's home language. It is imperative. Answer C. 44. Language education is not to the language classroom. Answer D. Confined. 45. Reading enhances one's own. Answer A. Efficiency in the use of language. 46. Poems develop the children's creativity and expressions of B. Feelings and experiences. 47. Composition is the act of C. Putting words together. 48. Every child is born with A. An ability to learn languages. 49. Flash cards can be used to make children talk about D. Pictures. 50. See or show and tell activity that develops oral skills also focus on C. Vocabulary development. 51. Reading aloud for an audience helps children to develop their A. Fluency. 52. Reading of newspaper improves B. Comprehension. 53. Labeling of diagrams or pictures help children build. Answer B. Words associated with the different parts in it. 54. Reflective writing helps you as teachers to answer C. Address students' need. 55. Instructions for games enhances the power of D. Listening. 56. The meaning of mounds is A. Heap. 57. I am frightened dash curious. Answer B, but. 58. A team of C players. 59. Transient refers to B, short-lived. 60. Synonym of the word brief. Similar meaning, synonym. Answer C, short. Next, kaneka language 1 kabade jong Khasi. Shispa arpway haba unong hikai upen chong dor ya ka jing tho ki khna udai ban kham pe bat pen le jing mut nong kong e ha. Jubab kadai ka bi ki jing mut bat ki jing kren. Ka shispa arpw kanu na kini harum kabadai kawai na ki jing mentoy kabami na ka jing pendon kam shibun tli ki ktien ha kamra kelas. Jubab kadai ka di ka jing kentiu ya ka jing yadai ka ba kerpang ha ka imlang salang. Shispa arplai ka ktien Khasi kami na ka thamei long ying. C, Austro-Asiatic. Shispa arpewsaw ha ka kernit ka ba pra jong ka riti sensyar kari India ki don. Sebab si arpew teli ki kentin ki bala itu da ka sorkar India. Shispa arpewsan kanu na kini harum ka ba klemdei ka ktien ka ba mi na thamei long ying Indo-Aryan. Answer ke D, Bodo. Shispa penriu kawai na ki ktien ka ba klem penrung ha ka kernit ba pra jong ka riti sensyar kari India. Answer kedai ka B, Kuruk. Shispa penyo kanu na kini harum ka ba klem ya hap bat ka jinglong ka ktien ba kren haying. Sebab kadai ka C ka ktien banang ya kanong rim ka grammar. Shispa pra kanu na kini harum ki badon ka benta ba kraw bantei bat penroy ya ka ktien ying ukna. Ka B kikmi kikpa. Shispa pandai kawai na ki kendon ba ka ktien khun kadai bandon lada kadai banlong ka ktien pedeng. Kajubab kadai ka E dai pendon kam ya ka ha ki babun ki kamram. Shispa lai peu kawai na kini harum kam dai ka jinglong ka ba ka ktien pedeng ka don. Jubab kadai ka E bu jing tho ya ki an grammar kumno ban pendon kam ya ka. Shispa lai puwei shwa ba unong hikai ya kalunong upen ki jing mud ya ki kena ban. Ka B penla ya ki ban sha skor. Shispalai peu ar karukom penki jingmut yaki kena shwa banhikai ya kanu kalenong ki don. Coba bi lai rukom. Shispalai peu lai ar ngut ki kena ki yashim benta haka jingkam balapa yaki banle. Uwei na ki ushim ya kabenta unong hikai kadba uwei pat ushim ya kabenta kena skul kanu na kini harum kabayaha barkatei ka jingong. Jubab kadai ka bi ka jingle menle. Shispalai pesau kanu na kini ki buj hikai harum kabamentoy haba sedang ban hikai ka poem kabatmai haki kena. Jubab kadai ka di puli jam nagaba pendon kam ya kasur puli kabayahap. Shispalai peusan kanu na kini harum kamdei kabenta bajudan berbor hakinu kinu ki lesson plan. Jubab ka bi ka baai dictation. Shispalai penriu kanu na kini kibuj hikai harum kaba kham kentiu ya kajing sngau tho ki kena syapang kalenong baladeb batai. Jubab kadai ka bi puli bonsien ya kalenong. Shispalai penyau kajing temu bakham kongsan jong kajing puli jar haba hikai pros ya ki kena kalong. Jubab kadai ka bi ban ai la di ki kena ban sngau tho kham bha ya kalenong. Shispalai pepra kanu na kini ki kendon harum kaba kham ya ha ban hikai ya ka pros na benta ki kena primary. Jubab kadai ka puli nuksa pha puli batai benia keli jingkeli. Shispalai pendai ya ki flash card ka kham dei ban pendon kam. Jubab kadai ka si kat badang batai artat ya kalenong. Shispa sau peu unong hikai upen kre ban penwat bat penwandur ya ki tiar ya rap hikai. Jubab ka si shwa ban hikai ya kalenong. Shispa la sau puwei. Kinong hikai ki tenjo jing tip ya kena hakapor. Jubab ka bi hakapor hikai. Shispa sau puar kanu na kini harum kabaya habat ka kentin komprehensif hakur kom theo jing tip ya ki kena. Jubab ka ka jing roy ki kena habaro ki liang. Shispa sau pulai unong hikai ulum ulang ya ki jing trei ki kena kabaya dei bat ki buj tho buj shna jing shna bat ki jing trei ki bakham benya ban pensyong dor ya ki jing roy jing san jong ki. Kanu na kini ki buj pensyong dor kabaya ha bat kani ka jing ong. Jubab kadai kadi ka portfolio. Shispa sau ka buj pensyong dor ka batmu ban kedeu ya ka jing klain ka jing tlot ri jing la ban penbei hi ya ki jing dena. Kanu na kini kerukom theo jing tip kabaya ha bat kani ka jing ong. C kabatheu jing tip dalade Chispa sausan ka checklist ka hap hakaway na kini kibuik pensyong dor. Ka C da ka ba kmi tho. Chispa saupun riu manhandai ki ju yale thama da usum bat ka wait ka kentin manhandai hakani ka senten ka yengkum ka. B adverb. Chispa sapunyau hakanu na kini ki senten harum don jing bakla ban bo dak sange. B ama shulai thau. Chispa sau pra haba penmi ya usawa ngios ngeu ya kasawa ba penmi da kabara ya kabenta ba pedeng jong telek ban pendai ya kabenta ba sajrong jong kasentur. Sebab kedai ka DK. Chispa sau pun kendai hak kentin raha UA usawa badon hak kabasdang. Day B new RH. Chispa sampeu ka kentin keno jong ukun kha kadai. Ka B ukun long.